Hello, guys. Hello, my friends. How are you today? I hope you are doing well wherever you are. So, me too, I'm happy to come back on this channel. Yes, for learning. Yes. Today, we use English, Kinyarwanda, and French. As you know, today we have now two types of our lessons where we use English, Kinyarwanda, and French, and at that time we use English, Kinyarwanda, and Kiswahili. So today is French. Yes. Let's now continue our lesson, which is introductions. Yes, let's continue with introductions. How we introduce ourselves when we are with our friends, or when we meet our friends, they're on the way. Yes, thank you so much. So I hope we are ready now. Yes, to learn. Thank you so much. I love you so much. So let's now start. Yes, welcome now. You see, we have our lesson of today: English, Kinyarwanda, and French. Thank you so much. Introductions. Introductions. In Kinyarwanda, we say kwibwirana ibikurikira. Ibikurikira. In French, we say présentation, présentation, suite, suite. Thank you so much. For our number one, we have Marita. This is Dr. Muhire. How do you do, Dr. Muhire? I'm glad to meet you. How do you do? I'm glad to meet you too. You see? Marita, this is Dr. Muhire. How do you do, Dr. Muhire? I'm glad to meet you. Yes? How do you do? I'm glad to meet you too. Yes? Thank you. So let's see how we can say now in Kinyarwanda. Marita, uyu ni Dr. Muhire. Je suis heureux de vous rencontrer. Attention, quand nous avons du français, il y a ce qu'on appelle accord. Nous avons deux parties. Là où celui qui parle, c'est une fille ou bien c'est un garçon. Là-bas, on va faire l'accord. Let me use English. In French, when we have a male person who is speaking, we use heureux. But when she's a girl, a female person, we use heureuse. Heureuse. It means that here we have a male person, heureux. He's going to use heureux. And if it is a female one, he's going to use heureuse. So this is why I use these two terms in order to show you that now it is now different from those two sex. Yes. We have now. Comment va-t-il, Docteur Muhire? Je suis heureux de vous rencontrer. There, it is now a male person who is speaking. Comment va-t-il, Docteur Muhire? Je suis heureuse de vous rencontrer. There, it is now a female one. Female one. Yes? Thank you so much. The answer here is ça va bien. Merci. Moi aussi, je suis heureux de te rencontrer. Ça va bien. Merci. Moi aussi, je suis heureux de vous rencontrer. Oh, je te rencontre. Ça va bien. Merci. Moi aussi, je suis heureux de te rencontrer. Can you repeat? Ça va bien. Merci. Moi aussi, je suis heureux de te rencontrer. de te rencontrer. Yes? Thank you so much. So let's see now number 2. Where do you come from? Or where do you live? Yes, we know here we ask someone where he lives. Yes? Or where he comes from. Yes? The answer, I think we know where it is as it is here. I come from, for example, I come from Kigali City. Yes? Or I live in Kigali City. Yes? Rwanda. You can even add the country. Yes? I come from Kigali City in Rwanda. Or I live in Kigali City in Rwanda. Yes? In Kinyarwanda, how do we say it? Iwanyu ni he? Iwanyu ni he? Utuye he? Can you repeat? Iwanyu ni he? Utuye he? It's the same. Yes? Can you repeat? Iwanyu ni he? Utuye he? Thank you so much. The answer is iwacu ni mu mujyi wa Kigali. Iwacu ni mu mujyi wa Kigali. Iwacu ni mu mujyi wa Kigali. Or you can say ntuye mu mujyi wa Kigali. Ntuye mu mujyi wa Kigali. Do you get the point? Thank you so much. Let's see now how it is said here in French. Où est-ce que tu habites? Où est-ce que tu habites? How it is said in French. Où est-ce que tu habites? Où est-ce que tu habites? Can you repeat? Où est-ce que tu habites? Yes? Or, tu habites où? Or, tu habites où? Can you repeat? Tu habites où? Yes? Où est-ce que tu habites? Or, tu habites où? It is the same. Thank you so much. As the answer is here now. J'habite à Kigali-Ville. J'habite à Kigali-Ville. Au Rwanda. Au Rwanda. J'habite à Kigali-Ville au Rwanda. Can you repeat? J'habite à Kigali-Ville au Rwanda. Thank you so much. So let's now see our number 3. Yes? How old are you? How old are you? Yes? Yes? So, as you know, the answer here is, for example, I'm 30 years old. I'm 30 years old. Yes? I'm 30 years old. 30 years old. Yes? 30. Yes? I think here it is very clear. I'm 30 years old. Now, how it is said in Kinyarwanda? Ufite imyaka ingahe? Ufite imyaka ingahe? Ufite imyaka ingahe? Can you repeat? Yes? Ufite imyaka ingahe? The answer is mfite imyaka 30. Yes? Mfite imyaka 30. 30 in Kinyarwanda. 30. Yes? Is it clear? Mfite imyaka 30. Thank you so much. So let's see now how we say in French. Quel âge as-tu? Quel âge as-tu? Quel âge as-tu? Can you repeat? Quel âge as-tu? Yes? So the answer is j'ai 30 ans. J'ai 30 ans. J'ai 30 ans. You see? J'ai 30 ans. 30 ans. J'ai 30 ans. Can you repeat? J'ai 30 ans. Quel âge as-tu? Quel âge as-tu? Yes. J'ai 30 ans. Thank you so much. So this is now the end of our lesson of today. So let's now try to do some practice as usual to see if you have got something from there. Yes? It means that I ask you and you answer to me. Are you ready? Thank you. Iwanyu ni he? Iwanyu ni he? Yes? I hope here your answer is where now you live. Yes. You have to say iwacu ni mu mujyi wa Kigali. It is there. Or iwacu ni Rwamagana. Or iwacu ni i Muhanga. Yes? You add where you are coming from. Where you come from. Yes? Utuye he? Utuye he? This is the same as iwanyu ni he. Yes? See, we have seen it. Yes? Utuye he? Thank you so much. I hope you said ntuye mu mujyi wa Kigali. Or ntuye i Rwamagana. Or ntuye i Musanze. Do you get the point? Thank you so much. Ufite imyaka ingahe? Ufite imyaka ingahe? Ufite imyaka ingahe? Yes? I hope the answer is mfite imyaka ta. So there you put your age. Yes? For example, you can say mfite imyaka 10. 10 is 10 years old. Mfite imyaka 20. 20 means 20 years old. Mfite imyaka 30. This 30 years old. Yes? And so on. Ufite imyaka ingahe? Yes? Mfite imyaka 20. You get the point? And I see from here, I need to give you other lesson for counting in these languages. Yes? Yes, from 1 and so on. So let's continue now in doing some practice in French. Yes? Où est-ce que tu habites? Où est-ce que tu habites? Où est-ce que tu habites? Or, tu habites où? Tu habites où? Yes? As the answer, I hope you said, you answer, j'habite à Kigali. J'habite à Kigali. If it is there. Or you can put where you live now. J'habite à Musanze. J'habite à Muhanga. J'habite à Rwamagana. J'habite à Huye. And so on. Yes? Où est-ce que tu habites? Thank you so much. So, quel âge as-tu? Quel âge as-tu? Yes? Thank you so much. I hope the answer is j'ai 30 ans. Here, there's example. J'ai 30 ans. Or, j'ai 20 ans. 20 ans means 20 years old. J'ai 10 ans. 10 ans means 10 years old. J'ai 40 ans. 40 ans means 40 years old. Yes? And here, I hope you are putting now your age in French. Quel âge as-tu? Thank you so much. I hope now this is the end of our lesson of today. I hope you are now able to use these conversations in order to introduce yourself in front of your neighbor there on their way. Okay? Do you get something from there? Thank you so much. Akimisi teruye nikaremera uryivuguta nta n'umuvuba mwana wanjye ngucire ku mayanjye umenye uko ugenda witwararika ntizagushuke isi n'iminsi ngo biguteshe inzira ntizagushuke isi nguteshe ucyubura ijuru none nusekerwa n'iminsi uzashima Imana wibuke n'abarira wibuka kw'ibihe bihimindi agahora gahanze nabyo bizagufasha ntizagushuke isi n'iminsi ngo biguteshe inzira ntizagushuke isi nguteshe ucyubura ijuru kandi nuhirwa n'urugendo ntuzishongore ngo wishyire hejuru utazaba nk'uwabonye ishitamba kandi ubwibone n'intambwe isubira inyuma ntizagushuke isi n'iminsi ngo biguteshe inzira ntizagushuke isi nguteshe ucyubura ijuru uzashake ubuzima ni byiza wirimbanire kuba ukomeye nyamara wibuke inshuti n'umuryango burya gushaka ibi ntibikwibagiza abantu ntizagushuke isi n'iminsi ngo biguteshe inzira ntizagushuke isi nguteshe ucyubura ijuru niwumva ugeze aho utakibasha kwiyumanganya wabaye imbata y'ikibi uzasaba imbabazi ubikunze nibwo bupfura nibwo bugabo kandi ntugera mu bihe birumanya uzibuke ko iryatari ryo herezo wizere ko nyuma y'ubu buzima hari ubundi buzima bigukomeza umutima ntizagushuke isi n'iminsi ngo biguteshe inzira ntizagushuke isi nguteshe ucyubura ijuru ntizagushuke isi nguteshe ucyubura ijuru isi nguteshe ucyubura ijuru isi nguteshe ucyubura ijuru. Thank you so much. As usual, you know where at the end of our lesson we sing. Yes, we use the song. Today we have a song of Kinyarwanda, a song of Clarisse Karasira. salute to that woman. Yes, this is a very good song where he tried to show us how we need to behave in this world. Yes, yeah, he told to a young people, do not be taken by the world's things. Yes, the bad actions there. If you became rich today, tomorrow you can be poor. Days change day to day. Don't now be over the people because they are now poor today. Please try to respect them because days are changing. Yeah, there you can go there to Google and you search Ntizagushuke. This is the name of the song. Ntizagushuke. A song of Clarisse Karasira. Very good song. You can go there and you listen to it, all those words. Yes, as I told you, make sure that slow by slow you will be able to understand the whole meaning of the song, if it is Kinyarwanda or other language we are running here, without any interpretation. So you go there and you listen again to the song. This is a very good song. Salute to Clarisse. Yes, thank you so much. For those who are understanding Kinyarwanda, yes, iyi ndirimbo ya Clarisse Karasira yitwa Ntizagushuke, irimo ubutumwa bwiza cyane. Ntizagushuke, iyi si ntizagushuke, irinde gutwarwa n'iby'isi ngo bigutwara umutima wibagirwe abantu. Agenda avugamo ubutumwa bwinshi butandukanye. Ese ukwiye gukira ukitwara ute? Ese ukwiye kubaho gute? Ese ni gute ukwiriye gufasha abakene? Ese ni gute ukwiye kuterengagiza abakene? Ko uyu munsi ushobora kuba uyu munsi bimeze neza ariko ejo bikamera nabi. Ese ko uyu munsi ushobora kuba bimeze nabi ariko ejo bikamera neza. Izo zose ni inama dusanga muri ya ndirimbo yitwa Ntizagushuke ya Clarisse Karasira. Mugende mujye kuyumva. Indirimbo mpora numva kenshi, indirimbo nziza cyane ituma kamere tugira ukuntu twitwara neza hano kuri iyi si. Turi abagenzi. Murakoze cyane. Thank you so much. I love you so much, guys. Yes, see you later. Thank you so much. I love you.